Hello, welcome. This is my art journal spread that I made. I just made it and I really like it. I had no clear plan when I started, and I only knew that I wanted to use the tissue papers that Anna sent me, my dear friend Anna. And she stamped on tissue papers, and they are really pretty because it's a great opportunity for you to use kind of stamps that you don't have for yourself. Yeah, so I'm using my homemade art journal book. Oh my god, I can't speak now. And this is the tissue paper from Anna, and it's so pretty. And I'm gonna add it everywhere on the spread with my transparent gesso. I added some painter's tape underneath because it protects the book from color bleed-throughs, and yeah, bleeding to other pages, other spreads, and yeah, it's really nice. So look at that pretty tissue paper. I think she has stamped and also used stencils here. And I'm using my homemade glitter pens here. I made them out of iridescent medium and watercolor, the liquid one from Ecoline. So they're kind of glittery and I like them. And I'm just adding them and water. So this is just the background. Some more blue. It's my Spectrum Sparkle. And now I'm just adding some white gesso to brighten it up in some places. And now I want to use the homemade washi tape that Anna made for me. And I really love them. And she inspired me to make my own also. But these ones Anna made. They are so pretty. And now I'm just trying some different cutouts that Anna made for me. I don't know, I'm just trying, and I haven't figured it out yet, but I know that I want some different things, so I'm just trying. So I'm just, as I said, try to see what will fit where, and yeah. So these are things from my stash, and the false stamp you see there is from Anna. And the stars is from a pack with it's a Grunge pack, I think. I can list it below maybe. It's a Ukrainian brand, I think. And also the light bulbs are from that pack. And my thoughts were that this brown, or these brown things will look nice here. with the blue and the turquoise colors. And I think it was. Yeah, and these are my printables. And yeah, and 4 stamps and a lot of different things. But I think that is done. I'm only gonna put on this text that says only forward, and I like that. Yeah, this is the pack I was talking about. Grunge Mechanics, it's called. Yeah, but as I said, the only way is forward, and yeah, that's the only way you can go, of course. And of course I'm gonna use my Distress Oxide again, the rusty hinge. I really like it nowadays, and I use it a lot. But I was thinking I wanted some darker brown also. So I'm trying with my vintage photo distress ink. But I think maybe I should re-ink them or something, because they don't give me any any colors. So I'm gonna use my distress crayon instead. Yeah, I can't really get some brown from it. So hence the crayon. It's Tim Holtz distress crayon. And I'm just shading a bit around the paper bits with my Inktense pen, the color Bark. It's a brownish nuance. And some water to dilute it a bit. Makes it look more natural, no harsh lines. I like that. And this is it. I really like it. I was thinking of adding something else, but no, I didn't want to in the end. And I really love the backgrounds from Anna's tissue papers. And I like the colors. Yeah. And the wording, of course. I like that too. So this is some close-ups, as you see. And I hope you enjoyed my process today. And if you did, please leave a like and a comment. And subscribe, of course, to my channel if you want to see more. Yeah, if you want to see more of my art journal videos or something similar. So have a nice day and take care. Bye.